Hi, Dennis. This is Tanya with Delaware, Ohio SEO. I wanted to send you the screencast so I can show you the 3 things that you can start doing today that's going to help bring in more customers to your business. So, the 3 main things that I want to go over with you are content, citations, and backlinks. So, with that being said, let's get started with you. So, as you can see here, I've got your site pulled up. And one thing I will tell you with Google is they are huge on content. Like, content is king with Google. So on your home page, they want to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words and 500 to 750 words on your service pages. On your home page, you have roughly around 350 words of content. I have also pulled up 2 of your competitors. So this is Electrician Express, and they have roughly 550 words on their websites or on their homepage. So very easy for you to beat them out as far as content is going. And your second competitor is Advanced Contracting and Electrical Services. They have 653 words of content on their homepage. Totally easy for you to be able to beat them out as well. So, another thing that I wanted to show you is Ahrefs. This is a really awesome tool that I use that shows me all kinds of information on your site and your competitor sites. But what I want to go over with you right now is your keywords. So this is showing that you have 25 organic keywords. So we're going to take a look and see what we've got. So the first thing that I noticed right off the bat was like the first 5 are your company name. So Google doesn't count those, but you are ranking in the first position for that, which is definitely a good thing. So down here, Electrician Flint MI, which is what we would call a more organic keyword. Over here, it shows a volume of 30, which is about how many people are coming in and searching for this particular keyword. Over here, you'll see traffic. You're showing 0.12. Traffic is how many times per month this particular keyword is being searched. You are in the 18th position on Google for this particular keyword. So it wouldn't be very hard at all to get this ranking up to first or second. You just have to be able to put this in your content the right way and the right amount of times. Same thing goes for electrical contractors, Flint MI. You've got a volume of 10 and a traffic of 0.04, and you're positioned at 19th in Google for this one. So let's jump over here and take a look at Electrician Express. They have 353 organic keywords. Now, one thing I will tell you about keywords, you can take their keywords and use it for yourself, like this one, Electrician Flint MI. They've got a volume of 30. Their traffic is 2.6, but they are ranking 4th for that. We can get you higher than 4. We can definitely move it up for yourself, like I showed you on your end of the things too. Another keyword that you could use is electoral contractors, Flint, Michigan, volume of 10, 0.77, and they're ranking 6th for this one. Your other competitor has 89 organic keywords. So we'll take a quick look at some of his. And electrical contractors, Flint, Michigan, they are ranked 10th in this. They've 1.2 for traffic and they're ranked 4th. Another one that you could use would be electrical services contracting. They have a volume of 20. They're showing 0.59 in traffic, and they're ranking 10th for this. So wouldn't be hard at all for you to get these keywords and get them in your content the right way and start beating them out with content. So I'm going to jump over here, and I want to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack. Right here, you are third in the map pack. So it's pretty good, but we would like to see you get up here in the top. Down here in organic searches, I wasn't able to see you anywhere on this front page. So the idea would be to get you listed as much as humanly possible down here in organic and get you from third up to first with the Google Map Pack. One way that we can do this is with citations. Basically, a citation is getting your business name, address, and telephone number listed in hundreds of directories like Merchant Circle, Yelp, White Book, Better Business Bureau, all kinds of different directories that we could get you listed in to help you um, with the ranking process with Google. And actually, citations is the second most important part of the ranking process with Google. First is obviously the content part. So another thing that I wanted to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks give your website authority, which is going to help you in getting to that #1 spot on Google and getting #1 on that map pack. So what is a backlink? A backlink is getting another site to point back to your site, giving you more power in Google's eyes. It's a huge popularity contest with Google. So right here it says that you have 35 backlinks and 18 referring domains. So now we're going to jump over to this first competitor, and we're going to take a look at Electrician Express and see what they have with backlinks. So they have 83 backlinks and 19 referring domains. And we're going to jump over to your second competitor, which is Advance, and we are going to see what they have going on for their backlinks. So one thing I will tell you about backlinks, you can come over to your competitors and take a look at their backlinks and take their backlinks. And use them for yourself. Now, backlinks will take time, but they're easy to beat. So they have 347 backlinks and 47 referring domains. So out of 47 referring domains, they've got 347 backlinks, which kind of tells me that they could be spammy backlinks. So we're going to jump in here and I'm going to show you real quick what a backlink looks like. Now, sometimes with backlinks, you can get them from citations. So like right here, yellowpages.com, that's a citation. Some citations will give you backlinks. Citations are not all created equally, and neither are backlinks. So like mid-Michigan-firesticks.com, that could be a blog. So we could go into this website, and if it is a blog, we could leave a comment and get you a backlink from them this way. This is how you take your competitors' backlinks. So we have gone over content. You need 1,500 words for your home pages and 500 to 750 words for your service pages. Citations, the more, the better. It's very easy to do, but it is time consuming. So, my team and I would be really happy to do that for you. Backlinks, the more relevant sites pointing to you to show Google that you have that power, the better. You have, I think it said 35 backlinks. So obviously the more, the better. It's never a bad thing. So with all of this being said, If you implement all these strategies today, you can absolutely be #1 on Google. If you want to do this on your own, that's great. If not, then please give me a call at 740-972-8045, or you can send me an email at delawareohioseo@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a great one.